This is the packaging material list. Then let's take a look at the drilling diagram. The side of the drilling diagram faces the door. The hole is on the side of the door. There is a small hole and a large hole on the front. Just align it with the drilling. Now let's start the installation. First, we install the mortise. The latch bolt of the mortise can be flipped. First, lift it up to this position. Then press and rotate. Press and rotate. Install it in the direction of closing the door. The direction of this latch bolt. Install it in the direction of closing the door. Now we install the outdoor panel. The outdoor panel usually has a rubber pad. We have installed it now. It has a buckle on all for position to hold it in place. It has a left and right opening switch here. Left opening turns to the left, and right opening turns to the right. It indicates the installation direction of the handle. So it's easier to operate. Screw it in a little. Don't tighten it too much. Then install it directly. The cable goes through. Pass through this small hole. The square spindle has a buckle here. Press the buckle up and push it in. And push it in. A click sound means it's locked. Then the cable goes through this small hole. And the square spindle through this hub. Then there are 2 screw positions on both sides. Align the screw positions here. Now we install the base plate of the indoor panel. It's fixed with buckles. Pass through this small hole. Put it on and then install the screw. You can screw it by hand first. To fix it first. To find the approximate direction. Press it with your hand. We don't need to tighten it so much. We can adjust it later. Then adjust the lock to be vertical. Then see if it's vertical. Then tighten it. Now we install this indoor panel. You can install this set screw first and screw it in a little bit, so it's easier to install later. Then put it on. Now we install this indoor panel. Insert the cable plug into the socket. Insert it into the jack. Then it clicks into place. Then insert the square spindle into the hole. Insert it. Then install the screws. Now we power on the machine. Turn the power switch to the on position. You'll hear a startup sound, which indicates that it is turned on. Then close the battery compartment cover. Installation is complete. Now let's register administrator's password and cards. Press star and hash key to enter setting. Press initial password 1 to 3 for 5-6 hash.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management, 3 for system settings, 4 for network configuration, 5
Press 1 to set administrator information.
Press 2 to delete an administrator.
Press 1 to add administrator information. Input administrator password twice.
Please input again. 0, 1, input successful. Please enter administrator information.
Input card administrator.
Input administrator's card.
0, 3, input successful. Please enter administrator information.
Press the star
Now
key
exit.
repeatedly to exit.
Press 1.
And use password
Now,
to
I use
open
the
door.
administrator's password to open the door.
Unlocked.
And now, I use the administrator's card
Now
to
use
open the
card
door.
To open the door.
Unlocked.
Now demonstrate
Registering
registering user
user
face. Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Enter administrator information.
And use administrator's
Input,
card to enter function.
Administrator card or password.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management.
Press 2 to enter user setting.
Press 1 to add a user. Press 2 to delete a
Press
user.
1 to enter a
Enter
user.
unlocking information.
Input user
Press the
face.
button to start
Press
face
the camera
recognition.
button.
Please face the camera. Distance 0.14. Input successful.
Exit.
Please enter.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user face to open the door. Press
Now use
the
user
camera
face
button.
recognition to open door.
Please face the camera. Distance unlocked.
Door open.
Now demonstrate registering
Register
user palm vein.
print.
Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Information.
Input administrator
And use administrator's
or
card to enter
password.
function.
Press 1 for administrator settings, 2 for user management, 3 for
Press 2.
Press 1 to add a user. Press 2 to delete a user.
Press 1.
Enter unlocking information.
Press the button to
Press
start
the
palm vein
camera button.
recognition.
Please face the camera. Distance 0.5 to 1 meter.
Input
Naturally
user
open your
card.
palm 20 centimeters in front of the camera.
Exit.
Please enter unpressed.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user palm to open the door. Press the camera
Now use
button
user
again.
palm vein recognition to open door.
0 point unlocked.
Door open.
Locked.
Now demonstrate registering user
Register
fingerprint.
User fingerprint.
Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Enter
And use administrator's card to enter
or
function.
password.
Press 1 for administrator settings. 2 for user management.
Press
3
2.
for system settings. Press 1 to add a user.
Press
2
1.
to delete it. Please enter unlocking information.
Input user fingerprint.
Place fingerprint on the sensor.
Input again. Please input
You need to
again.
try it 4 times.
Please input again. 1, 2, input successful.
Now
Press the
exit.
star key repeatedly to exit.
Use user
Now use user fingerprint to open door.
Unlocked.
Opened.
Now demonstrate registering
Register
user
user.
password and card. Press star and hash key to enter setting.
Information.
Input administrator
And use
password
administrator's
or
card to enter function.
Administrator card.
Press 1 for administrator settings. 2 for user
Press
management.
2.
3. Press 1 to add a user.
Press
2 to
1.
delete it. Please enter unlocking information.
User card.
Place user card on the panel.
0, 7. Input successful. Please enter unlocking information.
And input
Now
the user
user
password
password.
twice.
Please input again. 1. Input successful.
Exit.
Press the star key repeatedly to exit.
Now
use user card to open door.
Unlocked.
Use user password
And use user
to open the
password
door.
to open door.